Okay. So the next question is find the area between y equal to x square and the straight line y equal to 3x plus 4. So first we draw the diagram. The solution is, so given that is a parabola y equal to x square taken as 1 and a straight line y equal to 3x plus 4. So we need to find, first we draw the diagram. So y equal to x square, nothing but x square is nothing but the parabola is in y axis. So here the non-term, the non-square term is y. So the parabola is in y axis. So this is equal to y equal to x square. And next, the straight line. The straight line is intersecting this parabola. So that is, this is y equal to x square. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. That is, this is straight line. Y equal to 3x plus 4. And this is parabola y equal to x square. We need to find this area. We need to find this area. So therefore, first we need to find the boundaries of this one. This is A1 and this is A2. A1 and A2. So A1, A2 are the boundaries. So what is the first step? The first step is, step 1 is find boundaries. Boundaries. Say A1 and A2. A1 and A2. So here, how we find these values? From 1 and 2, this is the 1, this is the equation 1 and equation 2. Equating equation 1 and equation 2. Equating 1 and 2. So that is nothing but x square is equal to 3x plus 4. So from that, x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. So from x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. This is nothing but, so we know that this form is ax square plus bx plus c. We do that multiplied by a into c and then find the factors. Find the factors. Say k1 and k2. Similarly here that a into c, nothing but 1 into minus 4, that is nothing but a minus 4. Minus 4 is nothing but the factors for 1 and 4. This is a minus symbol, minus 1. So therefore, we will written as x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. So this minus 3 can be written as plus 1 minus 4. So from that we get the x as a common. We get that x into x minus 4 plus 1 as a common from this. We get that x minus 4 equal to 0. So from that x minus 4 into x plus 1 equal to 0. That is x minus 4 into x plus 1 equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to 4. And x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. So we get that x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 1. So from 1, that is from 1. What is the 1? Y equal to x square. That is y equal to x square. Substitute x equal to minus 1. That is nothing but y equal to minus 1 whole square. The value is equal to 1. So what is the point? The point is equal to minus 1 comma 1. This is equal to x comma y. That is, if x equal to 1, then the value y is equal to 1. This is the one point. Say it is a A1. And next, substitute x equal to 4 in 1. Therefore, y equal to 4 square. That is nothing but 60. So what is the point? The point x comma y is equal to 4 comma 16. This is say A2. So what is the first step? The first step is we need to find the boundaries. So what is the boundary here? So this is nothing but A1 and this is nothing but A2. Okay, so how we find these boundaries? So from these 2 points x1 and x2, x2 square is equal to 3x plus 4. We comparing equating these two, we get that x square equal to 3x plus 4. Then we need to find the ix values. That is the roots of quadratic equation. So we apply the formula either a minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, or by shortcut method we find that x and y. So what are the x values? Minus 1 comma 4. So from minus 1 comma 4 we need to find the y values. What are the y? So if x equal to 1, then the y value is equal to 1. If x equal to 4, the y value is equal to 16. So finally what are the points we get? That is a 1, minus 1 comma 1 and 4 comma 16. So this point is minus 1 comma 1. This is nothing but minus 1 comma 1 and this is nothing but a 4 comma 16. This point is known as a 4 comma 16. We need to find the boundary. That is, we need to find the area between these two curves. We need to find this area. Okay. And next you are writing that the basic formula area is equal to, and this is nothing but integral is from a to b. There are two curves, y upper curve minus y lower curve. So the given question must be in the form of y. The given question must be in the form of y. So y upper curve minus y lower curve. So this is the formula, y upper curve minus y lower curve into dx. So first upper curve is nothing but the straight line. So what is the straight? What are the limits here? Into dx is nothing but we take the x values. What are the x values? Minus 1 to 4 into dx. That is limits of x. That is the limits of x equal to what are the limits? Minus 1 to 4. So y upper curve. So y upper curve is nothing but in the diagram the upper curve is a straight line. That is y of straight line minus y of parabola into dx. So in this one, the straight line must be in the form of y is equal to. So therefore, we have to take that 3x plus 4. This is a y straight line. Y is equal to. So taken as this one minus y upper curve. Y equal to x square. That is nothing but x square into dx. So therefore, we have written as integral is from minus 1 to 4, 3x plus 4 minus x square into dx. So we apply the integration. We know that Integration of x power n into dx. What is the formula? That is x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is a basic formula. And integration of constant k into dx is nothing but k into x. So therefore, we have written as this is nothing but integral is from this is 3x square by 2 plus 4x minus x square. X square nothing but x cubed by 3. And what are the limits? The limits are minus 1 to 4. Minus 1 to 4. So apply the upper limit minus lower limit. That is we written as a formula. So 3 upper limit. What is upper limit? Upper limit is 4. 4 square by 2 plus 4 minus 4 cubed by 3. This is upper limit value. Minus lower limit. What is the lower limit value? The lower limit value is equal to minus 1. So we get the 3 into minus 1 whole square by 2 plus 4 into minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole cubed by 3. So therefore, we get the 3 into 4 square. 4 square is nothing but 16. 16 by 2 plus 4 into 4. 16 minus 64 by 3. Minus 64 by 3. This is a value. And next, minus of minus 1 whole square. Nothing but 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube nothing but a minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is nothing but a plus 1. So this is upper curve minus this is a lower curve. And we get that here from that we need to get the 16 as a common. That is a 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 4 by 3. 16 4 jar 64. And this is, we simplify this part. That is a 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 4. So here we take that LCM. Now what is LCM? LCM is 6. We get that, close this part, we get 3. 3 into 3, 9 plus 6 minus 8. So this is an LCM. Similarly, for LCM is 6. We get that 9 plus 2 minus 24. So we get that 6 minus 2, that is minus 2, 7. 7 by 6 minus 9 plus 2, 11. So 24 minus 11, that is nothing but a 3, 1, 13. Minus into minus plus 13 by 6. So we get that 16 into 7, that is 112. This is nothing but 112 divided by 6 plus 13 by 6. So we get that 6 as a LCM here. 123 plus 13. 122. 112. This is nothing but 112 plus 13. We get that 125 by 6. 125 by 6. So how we find this problem? Here the basic formula is integral is from a to b, y upper curve minus y lower. That means the given question must be in the form of y. So y అనేది గ్యారెంటీ ఉండాలి. ఇచ్చిన దాంట్లో నుంచి మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలంటే y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అని రాయాలి. సో అప్పర్ కర్వ్ మైనస్ లోయర్ కర్వ్. సో అప్పర్ కర్వ్ అంటే పైన ఉండేది. సో మనకి పారాబోలా నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు పైన ఉన్న వాల్యూ ఏది అంటే స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఉంది. కింద ఏముంది అంటే మనకు పారాబోలా ఉంది. సో కాబట్టి y స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ మైనస్ y పారాబోలా. సో స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చినాడు? y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3x ప్లస్ 4. మనకు కావాల్సింది y అనేది కావాలి. సో y ఈక్వల్ 3x ప్లస్ 4 కాబట్టి 3x ప్లస్ 4 రాసుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ పారాబోలా రాసినాం. పారాబోలా వచ్చేసి మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చిన అంటే y ఈక్వల్ టు x స్క్వేర్. సో x స్క్వేర్ రాసినాం. సో ఫైనల్లీ వి గెట్ దట్ 3x ప్లస్ 4 మైనస్ x స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ dx. సో బేసిక్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్. సో వాట్ ఇస్ అవర్ బేసిక్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్? x power n, that is the integration of x power n is nothing but x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. And integration of constant, the value is equal to k into x. And after that integration, we substitute that upper limit minus lower limit. So substitute yes and no. So upper limit దగ్గర x అంటే upper limit 4, lower limit అంటే x equal to minus 1. సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకి ఫైనల్ గా ఏం ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది అంటే 125/5/6. సో ఈ ఏరియా ఆర్ క్వాడ్రేచర్ కనుక్కునేటప్పుడు ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ 2 కర్వ్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో నువ్వు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఒకటే ఫార్ములా, y అప్పర్ కర్వ్ మైనస్ y లోయర్ కర్వ్ ఇంటూ dx. సో ఇచ్చిన ఫార్మ్ వచ్చేసి ఆ ఫామ్ లో కన్వర్షన్ చేయాలి, కన్వర్షన్ చేసి సింప్లిఫై చేయాలి.